The Israelites were standing before the Red Sea that nobody have ever been able to cross normally before. And behind them was the army of the greatest nation on earth. And in the middle of all of that, they started complaining against Moses. And Moses took the frustration to God. And God said, why are you complaining? Just go forward. And I believe the question in the heart of Moses was, how can I go forward in a situation like this? The house rent is looking at me in the face, and the school fees is looking at me at the back. How do I go forward? They say people from my kind of environment, they don't survive when they get to a certain age. And my Christianity doesn't even look so serious. How do I survive it? Nobody has ever escaped this sickness before. Nobody has ever escaped this disease before. How is it going to start with me? Mary said, how shall this be? And the angel says, somehow. The God of the church is the God of somehow. You don't need to understand the technology. Your responsibility is to believe that with this God, nothing shall be impossible.